All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how, through the Steam client, you can change your Steam password. This is important to do periodically because people are always trying to break into literally everything. And having your Steam account taken over by some weirdo that, not you or someone that you know, kind of sucks. So you can do this either through the launcher itself, which is what I'm going to do. You can do it online. You can do it through the app on your phone. You can do it through the web on your phone. So you have options, especially if your account was just recently compromised. It'll be in a similar location no matter where you do it. So in this case, I'm going to go to the upper right hand corner underneath my name, Larry, and I'm going to go to account details. This is where it'll show you things like what your account name is and your email and your verified phone number. But we want to go to the sidebar. We want to go to security and devices. Here is where you set up all your security stuff. Down here underneath of where it says your Steam account name, you want to click change password. And then here you want to just tell it how you want to verify that you're who you say you are, because two-factor authentication comes default on Steam. So I'm going to go ahead and have it send me a phone text in order to verify that I'm people and that I am the owner of this account. And then I'm going to enter whatever password I think will make for a good replacement. And then once you've got your passwords matching and they follow the rules, it has to be a certain length. And I always recommend, mixing in some like symbols and numbers and capitals and all that jazz. And then you can just hit change password and then the deed will be done. And then you'll have to fully scan, or you'll have to fully log back in order to do anything inside of Steam. The only thing I can recommend to you is that you should definitely make sure it's something that you can remember, or you have a password manager open and ready to receive your new password, because then you'll have to recover it and it makes the whole thing a big pain in the booty. So, just be aware. And then that's it. Password successfully changed. You can sign into Steam if you haven't already done so. And, or if you want, you can do things like reset your email address and all sorts of other jazz, all from the comfort of the Steam launcher, which you probably see on the regular. That'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pretty easy process. It does require getting your, authentication codes from your phone or from your email. But that's not too bad. It's a pretty straightforward process. So that'd be it for this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.